Okay, so we have to factor this first. From the top, let's factor by grouping. Let's group these two. You can factor out an x squared. From these two, you can factor out a 9. And from these two, you can factor out a 4. Okay, and from these two, you can factor out an x minus 5. And from here, we can factor out x minus 3 and x plus 3. Okay. From here, we can say there's a restriction of x cannot be 3. But because it reduces, it's a whole. Okay, so the whole occurs at x equals 3. So as for the domain, it's everything. It just cannot be 3. Okay. Now, with what's remaining, that's a graph of a parabola. And it's got roots at -3 and 5. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, -3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, the midpoint between -3 and 5 is 1. So to find the minimum of the parabola, let's plug in 1. That cancels out and we get -4. So let's say that's -4. So it's a parabola that looks like this. Okay, rough picture, like that. But it's undefined at 3. So 1, 2, 3. There's a hole there. Okay. Now, using that, the range, set of all real values, and y is greater than or equal to -4, but we have to omit, okay, when x equals 3. So when x equals 3, let's plug it in here. You get 3 minus 5, and x equals, this is 6 over 4. So that gives you -2 times by 6 over 4. So you get -3. This is exactly -3. So we actually have to omit -3. Okay, if you miss that, the range will be incorrect.